During my elementary days, I just remember many times became Mr. Intrams in our school. Maybe you will ask me how did this become possible? It is the eyes, the nose, or the lips. Looks may be deserving. Don't judge a book by its cover. I have the looks, but my parents will always say, don't be beautiful, son. It is our genes. The truth is in my hair. Remember the shampoo? Your hair smells terrific. A very long name is it. It became popular some years ago. Maybe my mom was still single then. Maybe she used this shampoo. That's why my dad fell in love with her. Do you think so? Nowadays, there are so many brands of shampoos and conditioner in our market for men and for women. There are shampoo for hair volume and shine. Others have micro moisture for straight and silky hair. Other shampoo have anti-dandruff and also with cool menthol. Oh, like freezing in the ice banks. Even your hair was damaged. They also have brands for this kind of drastic situation. But if you really want to have hair that's young and feels like a baby, why not try a baby shampoo? They say hair is the crowning glory of the woman. A girl becomes more attractive when she has a long and gorgeous hair. Even her face is not pretty, her hair stands out. On the other side, even a girl has a pretty face but her hair is drastic. Oh no, it is not good. Remember Rapunzel, the princess with a very long hair. She used their hair to get out of the tall tower from he became prisoner. We can use their hair to hide from a person that we don't want to see or from whom we borrowed some money. People use their hair in the horror movies like The Grudge. As for a young boys like me, I prefer to have this brush up kind of hair. It's feel free and more relaxed. The parlors offer many services to our hair, straightening, coloring, extension, and so many more. Expensive it is. To avoid this, why not to be bald?